Boy, I'm gonna dig them all out.
Here, she got you a toy, Abigail. Lay down, Sandy.
If it's a,
I ain't never seen Sandy move that much.
All right, now she's down to your level.
well, it might be somebody else that they know, and Tammy and Skipper's Explorer might be up there behind the house.
I'll have that.
Because they're probably,
Look.
well, yeah, her daddy did that yesterday and threw
That's
two
the
trash
most
bags
she's
full of
ever
sugar.
played with anybody. Oh.
Don't dig her. Don't.
Well,
Don't
I
dig her.
wouldn't if you don't think Tammy and Skipper's up there, because if you see them a silver Subaru, then that's not Tammy and Skipper.
Now I'll take that turkey.
She gonna get more when Brent to her. Look at her. She ain't never pulled that many toys out.
So I'll have that one too.
Whoa! You gonna sit on her? You ain't never got a camera when, no, but she didn't have.
Hey, Frank.
Oh.
You
better sit on me.
Mine's saying, Mom. Because Mom told me
Better sit on me.
we'll jump up here. Mine's saying,
Y'all missed all that.